Welcome to ChatGenie. Today, we'll guide you through adding members to your ChatGenie dashboard to assist in monitoring and managing your in-app store. Before you begin, make sure the member has signed up for a ChatGenie account at chatgenie.ph/login/client using their Facebook account. Confirm that the email address you enter matches the one linked to their Facebook account. Here's how to add members to your ChatGenie dashboard. First, navigate to the General Store Manager. Click Members and then select the Add button. Enter the member's first name, last name, and their Facebook-linked email address. Click Submit. After sending the invite, instruct the invitee to check their email for the invitation from our system and click the Accept Invite button. Once accepted, the new member will have access to your ChatGenie dashboard, allowing them to assist with monitoring and managing your in-app store. For any questions or concerns, please reach out to our support team. Stay informed by visiting our website regularly and following us at chatgenie.ph for the updates and discussions.